Hey, it's Zeff, the robot. Part 14.
Thanks to this cat, I have a job to do. I am glad to serve you.
Yeah, my job depends on you, Gen 2.
I hope we may continue to be co-workers, Mr. Sniffles.
My allergies! Please get this hairball out of here, Gen 2.
Oh, where are you going?
Please, don't get rid of Gen 2!
Well, look at that. Even Melly is in favor of having Gen 2 work at the office. Do you also think Gen 2 is a good asset to the company? Leave a comment down below. Till the next episode of Hey, It's Zeff.